You know what? It's present day. Did you get your supplies yet? Have you ordered yet? Let's see. Hey everyone, it's Cristin and we have an upcoming project. After we complete Cup of Cheer that we're working on right now, we are going to work on the Sweet as Pie pillow. And our sponsor for that is AAA Sewing and Fabric. They're in California. And they sent me this huge box. This is not quite what I was expecting, but I'm pretty excited. So big, huge box. Look at this. Oh my God. Huge. So today is present day. And for those of you that pre-ordered the Sweet as Pie, you should be getting your presents soon too. These are going to be fun. This project is really cute. The new Sweet as Pie bench pillow. So let's see what we have in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. So cute. Oh boy. Lots of stuff. So let me start with the first thing at the top. Look at this. The embellishment kit for the Sweet as Pie pillow. Oh boy, this is going to be such a cute one. And I'm actually thinking about making some changes to it. So pay attention when we get there. So this is the Sweet as Pie bench pillow embellishment kit. And like I mentioned, our sponsor is AAA Sewing and Fabric. There is a link under this video that has all of the supplies that you need for this bench pillow. Oh, cute. So Salima is our sponsor, and she wrote a little note saying thank you for the opportunity to sponsor our group because we have the best group ever. So she also sent some other supplies, it looks like. Oh my goodness, what a sweetheart. So this is a navy blue set of 2 velvet wine bag blanks. Oh, those will be fun to make little gifts for Christmas. Thank you, Salima. That was really nice. And look, you can personalize it. I'll be doing that for sure. How fun. That was really sweet. Thank you. Oh, there's so many things in here. Oh my goodness. What a sweetheart you are. So much stuff. Oh my goodness. All right. The Sweet as Pie bench pillow fabric kit. You know, these boxes, it's so funny. I have to show you. See all of my boxes there? Do you guys keep all of the boxes? I don't know why I keep them. I am running out of room in my craft room, and yet I keep them. I don't know why. But this will be added to the collection. So the bench pillow fabric kit, I believe it does not come with the backing. I could be wrong. I have to think about that. I will tell you as I get more into it, but the fabric kit, and it'll say on her website as well, on the AAA Sewing and Fabric website. So look, this is our thread. Oh good, there are 2. I was thinking that's not quite enough. So there are 2 sets of threads for this fabric kit. They decided to curate a fabric kit for us using Floriani threads, and I started with Floriani threads. I love Floriani threads, and all of my machines love Floriani threads. So I was pretty excited when she said she wanted to do Floriani. So that's really nice. And so there is a thread kit on the website on AAA Sewing and Fabric. It does not come in a box. There's not an official thread kit for this. Actually, there might be now. I'm not sure. But either way, we're using the Floriani, and I will tell you step by step, as I always do in all of my videos, which colors that I'm using. Look at how pretty these are. I especially love this and this. And then lots of fall colors, of course, for our fall pillow. So cute. Sweet as Pie. Very, very fun. Thank you. So there are 2, 4, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. It looks like 12, and I'm counting right. Yep, 12 threads in here. Very nice. All right. And then she included some pretty crocheted edge trim lace ribbons. How nice is that? Oh my gosh, you sent so many nice things. Thank you. What a sweetheart. And look at this, watercolor pencils. I've never tried these. I saw this when it came out, and I haven't tried them, so that will be really fun. Make some nice thank you cards. A lot of thank you cards. Oh, and more. Oh, I haven't seen this one. This is really pretty. Rick Rack trim in black. Oh, that's so pretty. You're so sweet to send all these extras. My goodness, thank you. And pinks and red. How fun. More Kimberbell ribbon, red and pink Kimberbell ribbon. All right, back to the originals of what we actually need. Oh, she even sent me a pillow. What a sweetheart. So this is the machine embroidery CD. This is required. You have to have this. This will have all of the designs on it. So for our Sweetest Pie pillow, you need to have the machine embroidery CD. We are doing this together, and all of the designs will be on here. Oh, and here it shows on the back, it shows all of the fabrics that are in our fabric kit. And it does say the backing on here. It says 1/2 a yard of back fabric. So that probably is in the kit. I will check, like I mentioned, but very nice. And then some Flexifoam. Thank you so much, Flexifoam. I'm not sure that we need it on this project or if it's in the embellishment kit. Lately, they haven't been putting the Flexifoam in the embellishment kit. So my guess is you need that as a separate item. So make sure to get your Flexifoam. In fact, it lists on the back. It's got everything listed. It says that there is Flexifoam in the embellishment kit. 7x9 Flexifoam in the embellishment kit. So you should have what you need in the kit. It's always really good to have extra though of the Kimberbell Flexifoam. We use it in a lot of projects. So that was nice to include it. Thank you. Oh, good. Project batting. So I go through this stuff like crazy. I'm sure you do too. So make sure if you haven't already, you are going to want the project batting for this project for sure. Make sure that you'll have enough. We will use this on the back of every single block, under every single block to do our quilting. And then she included a pillow insert for me. So the 16x38 pillow insert, you will definitely need one of these for this bench pillow if you don't already have one. If you just switch it out every month, then you could just have one. If there's already a pillow, so like I have, what is it, the Thankful, Blessed, something, I don't remember exactly, but there is a November bench pillow that I already have, and so this will be an additional pillow, and thankfully I have another bench. So you will want an additional pillow insert if you already have one of the original bench pillows. That is a lot of supplies you sent to me. Thank you so much, Salima. You are just a sweetheart, very generous. So those that already ordered their supplies, they are shipping now. So if you haven't ordered yet, make sure to do that. I will add a link underneath this video, but everything is shipping now. And the items that you need, like I mentioned, are the fabric kit, Sweetest Pie bench pillow fabric kit, the embellishment kit for sure. You definitely want your embellishment kit, and the absolutely required, the machine embroidery CD. You will need that. That has all the designs. And then make sure that you have enough project batting and the stabilizer. We will use the, let me grab it. We will use the light mesh cutaway in our hoop for all of our blocks. So you will want this as well. And then the thread kit is optional. I like to have the thread kit because then you don't have to sit there and line up all of your threads with your fabrics to decide what's going to match. So if you get the thread kit, it's just easy. It's already done for you. Salima did the work. In fact, she had to wait until she got either the fabric kit or got a list of the fabrics maybe to be able to curate this for us. So she already did the work for us. So the thread kit is a great item to have. So those are the items that you absolutely need to have. Like I said, there is Flexifoam in your embellishment kit, but having extra is always good. And if you already have a November bench pillow, then you're going to want another bench pillow insert. So lots of supplies needed for this project. Hopefully you've already ordered from AAA Sewing, but there's still tons of time because we are on section 2 for the Cup of Cheer quilt, so we have time before we're going to start this. As soon as we finish Cup of Cheer, we're going to jump right into this project, and AAA Sewing and Fabric is our sponsor, and they have all the products ready for us, ready to ship now. So make sure to get your orders in if you haven't already. And if for those that did already pre-order, when you get your supplies from our sponsor, please post a picture. We love seeing that. Present day for all.